Hello and welcome, my wonderful followers. Today, I'm bringing you a light and delicious recipe, easy crescent-shaped cookies. But before we dive in, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my exclusive recipes. And to all my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Let's get started with our recipe for today. First, we'll make the dough. It's super simple. You'll need about 150 grams of softened butter, which we'll mix with 100 grams of powdered sugar. Then, add a little lemon zest, just about a teaspoon, and 1 egg. Mix everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Now, on to the next step. Gradually add in about 2½ cups of flour, kneading the mixture until you have a soft, well-combined dough. Once the dough is ready, we'll start shaping it. Roll out the dough to a medium thickness and using a crescent-shaped cutter, start cutting the dough into crescent shapes. If you don't have a crescent cutter, you can easily shape them by hand. Just try to make them as even as possible. After shaping all the dough, prepare 1 egg white and dip each crescent into it. Then, roll the crescents in finely chopped almonds to give them a nice coating. If you prefer some variety, you can use sesame seeds instead of almonds. They taste amazing too. Place the crescents on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and pop them in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden color. Now for the decoration, which will make these crescent cookies not only delicious, but also visually stunning. Dip the ends of the cookies into melted chocolate. It adds a touch of luxury, making them look like they came from a fancy bakery. If you want a simpler look, you can just dust them with powdered sugar for a classic and elegant finish. To keep the shapes of the cookies intact while baking, here's a tip. Don't overdo the flour, and let the dough rest a bit before shaping. If the dough is sticking to your hands, sprinkle a little flour, but not too much, to avoid making the dough tough. In conclusion, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. These crescent cookies are easy to make, and are a perfect treat to serve with coffee or tea. Give them a try and share your results with me in the comments. And one last reminder, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get all my new recipes as soon as they're out. Thanks again for watching and for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting recipe.